In today's video, I will show you how you can create a professional video intro fast and for free using canva.com. Before we begin this quick tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below any video suggestions. Now let's get right into the tutorial. For this tutorial, we will be using canva.com, which is a free platform where you easily can create professional graphic designs with no experience. This is, as I said, a free platform, but there is also a premium version where you will get many features. For example, high-quality exports, more graphic elements available, and so on. Canva Premium is definitely worth it. But if you are just starting out, the free version will work just fine. So the first thing we are going to do to create our intro is to search for YouTube intro in the search bar. Here we will see plenty of different presets I can choose from. There are intros for gaming videos, sport videos, kitchen videos, vlogs. There is almost an intro for everything, as you can see. All the ones with a crown on are only available for Canva Premium members, but the rest are free to use. Let's say I have a channel about cars. Then I can, for example, choose this preset for an intro for a channel about cars. Now I can customize it so it fits my channel. I can add text, images, and other elements. If you want to change the text, just double tap on the text you want to edit. And now you can edit the size, font, color, and so on. For example, we'll just change the text here to Wi-Fi wealth. You can basically customize all you want. Now let's just quickly watch how this intro turned out. I didn't really change too much in this example, but you can literally change everything to make it unique. I really hope this video was useful, even though it wasn't detailed and very short. So let me know if you guys want a more detailed video on how to use Canva in the comments down below. Before the video ends, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below any video suggestions.